back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
The Reno Steakhouse front-wheel drive mini stocks getting the one to go for 15 laps around Lake Cumberland Speedway. Who will stand in Don Franklin family of cars victory lane at the end of this 15 laps? Raymond Fusion, Austin Kawasaki on the front row. Rolling down the backstretch into turn number 3. Green is out, and we are racing. The 4 cylinders of Fury head down into turn 1 and 2. Raymond Fusion gets a little crossed up. We all make it through turns 1 and 2. Austin Kawasaki is the big winner for that. Got a little rubbing, a little right side romance there, about mid-pack. But lap number 1 goes to Austin Kawasaki. Second is Raymond Fusion. Side by side for third, but Eric Parton disposes of that. Here comes the 9L of Austin Leach. Leach looks to the back of Parton. Underneath Leach is Jim Rowland. That's how we race. Off into turns 1 and 2. The top 4 cars are nose to tail up on the cushion here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway in Burnside, Kentucky. First car out of line is the 5th place of Jim Rowland, trying to roll the bottom. Not having any luck. The top 4 cars are nose to tail, freight train racing around the top side of the Lake Cumberland Speedway here in beautiful Burnside, Kentucky. 4 laps down, 11 remaining. Got one hard in the outside wall. Caution is out. The 13 of Woodson Smith takes a bite out of the concrete wall outside of turn number 4. Caution is out. 4 laps down, 11 remaining in the Reno Steakhouse front-wheel drive mini stock A main. That's right, Saturday night, Cornet Engine Super Late Models make their return to the Lake Cumberland Speedway for the Spring Nationals. Make plans to be here Saturday night for the Super Late Models. 4 laps down, 11 remain, coming to green. Here in the next to last event, here at the grand opening bash here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. Austin Kawasaki leads us to green. The 9L of Austin Leach got a good start and pulls up on the side of 75. Nice move there by Leach. Now Leach is working on the 2nd place car of Raymond Fusion. Leach, a masterful restart, and now he's trying to race down the 2nd place of Raymond Fusion. But Austin Kawasaki leads the way here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. 5 laps down, 10 remaining. 6 laps down, 9 remaining here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. 1, 2, 3, 4, all on the wall in turns 3 and 4. Kawasaki still leads. Fusion in 2nd, Leach in 3rd, Parton in 4th. All of them nose to tail on the concrete here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. Race down the backstretch into turn number 3, off of turn number 4. Everybody playing nice. Good front-wheel drive mini stock race here, brought to you by Reno Steakhouse. Guys ripping the wall like they're at Talladega Super Speedway. Nose to tail, the 4 cylinders of Fury putting on a show here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. 9 laps down, 6 remaining. Austin Kawasaki has got a mirror full of Raymond Fusion. Fusion thinking about going to the bottom. Stays in his tire tracks, follows him through 3 and 4. 10 down, 5 remaining. And right now, Kawasaki, if these cars had mirrors, he would know he's got a whole hornet's nest behind him. As I say that, Raymond Fusion gets crossed up on the backstretch, goes wide off turn number 4. Here comes the 9L of Austin Leach. Leach side by side, 3 wide for second. The 75 gets into the 9L. We're almost 4 wide, 3 wide for third down the backstretch. What a race here in the Reno Steakhouse. Front wheel drives. 12 down, 3 remaining. It's all Austin Kawasaki from the get-go. Raymond Fusion in second. Austin Leach and Eric Parton going at it for third. Absolute dogfight for third position. 3 cars going at it. It's like somebody owes somebody some money there. They are all over each other for the third place. But as we come up turn number 4, white flag in the air, and Austin Kawasaki got 1 more lap remaining into turn number 1, off of turn number 2. The battle for third place is on. But coming off turn number 4, your winner, Austin Kawasaki. Second is Fusion. Third is Leach. Fourth is Parton. And fifth is Jim Rowland. So your top 3 coming home in third in the 9L is Austin Leach. Coming home second in the 17, it's Raymond Fusion. And your winner for tonight's A-Main for the Reno Steakhouse front-wheel drive mini stocks. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Austin Kawasaki.
Race fans, put your hands together for Austin Kawasaki. Let me get a quick word with you, man. Here's your check. Walk over here in front of the race car. I don't know. I know you didn't see what was going on behind you, but you had a heck of a show going on. That was a race, man.
It was fun for sure. Actually, I didn't talk a whole lot about it, but tonight's actually pretty sad night. Happy night, I guess. One of my real good friends, he lost a baby this past week, and he asked me if I'd done anything else this week was to win this race for him. So this one's for little baby Roland.
Congratulations, man. I'm sure you got some people to thank that sponsor this race car. Who you want to shout out?
I got to thank God first and foremost, and then Jim Rowland, Austin Leach, Clayton Holmes, Whitley Gardens, Patterson Contracting, Rains Home Repair, Soap and Go Car Wash, Ball Brothers Construction, Harp Heating and Cooling, Sharps Race Cars, Whiskey Gypsy LLC, and Jason Waters Tuning.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you, Brandon. Now our final event of the evening, the Todd Metals Crown Vics 15 laps, and we'll roll off like this. On the pole, in the number 93, it's Alan Pinball Douglas. To his outside, in the number 8, it's Robert Stanton. Row number 2 to the inside, out of Nancy, Kentucky, it's the 49 of Joey Stinger. To the outside, out of Richmond, Kentucky, in the 2B, it's Matthew Norman. Row number 3 to the inside, out of Somerset, Kentucky, in the 51R is Rodney Keaton. And to his outside, out of Somerset, Kentucky, in the 91, it's Caden Keaton. Row number 4 to the inside, out of Radcliffe, Kentucky, in the 24 is Braden Shelton. And